niya ako na... Tinuturo ako ah. Tinuturo ako ng tao dito, di ba?
Please. Please, let's not do this. We're in front of our people.
I will answer calmly why I am a member of this committee. That's ang problema, sasabihan niya ako sa mukha niya, hindi niya ako pakupormahin dito. Elected ako ng tao. Wala namang bastusan ng elected. No, I'm going to go after the I'm not now. I have a number of I will go for other questions. I will go for other questions. I just feel like pare, 12:45 ako nagsimula. Tayong dalawa, kay Pinay, 3 oras tayong dalawa eh. So, magsang oras siya nag-access kay Duterte, hindi mo bibigyan ng time na magsalita dito. Tayong keeper ka na ngayon.
Nagkakainsidente na rin siya. Eric. Oo, nagkakainsidente na rin. Kaya Eric na nagkakainsidente na rin.
Madam Chair, can you resume, please? Madam Chair, ang hiningi ko lang naman po, huwag tayo magbastusan sa committee na to.
Hearing resumed.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Before we recognize again Senator Alan Peter, that's why I had to butt in earlier, and I'm so sorry why I did that, is because, you know, in proceedings like this, witnesses like the one we have now find it really hard to appear in proceedings like this. Now he is being pressed to answer questions on a matter that he thinks he's sensitive about that because maisasabi
Madam
niya
Chair,
kung sino
I will-
yung mga
Madam Chair.
tumulong sa kanya.
Yes, Madam Chair,
Let
I
me
understand
finish,
that.
please.
Madam
I'm the
Chair,
chair
just
here.
a point of order.
I'm the chair here.
Just on a different matter, Madam Chair.
I'm the
Madam
chair here.
Madam Chair, very respectfully, it's on a different matter, Madam Chair.
Go ahead.
Madam Chair, it's on a different matter. Madam Chair, may I just sit here and listen to you without being intimidated? Because my seatmate here is intimidating me.
You can transfer.
No, Madam Chair, I am trying to ask questions. He told me here, hindi kita papopormahin. And then he tells me here, nabubuo ba pangarap mo? You are depending evil, etc. So, Madam Chair, I'm trying to get to the bottom of this. At kung totoo sinasabi, tatabihan niyo ako na itra-trash talk ako. Siguro naman bilang isang senador, I never did that to any of my colleagues. And I consider him a friend. So it's just a point of order, Madam Chair. I can move. Can you make sure he doesn't follow me? I will listen to you. If it takes you 2 hours, Madam Chair, you are the chair, I will follow. But I just wanted to explain bakit mali yung premise niya kanina. Because I gave a privileged speech. And if you look at item C of the agenda, it's my privilege speech. And it's not true that I have been speaking for an hour because I started at 1:45 and 12:45. And if you look, we have given the same leeway to any other senator. So the nation wants to know, nagsasabi ba siya ng totoo hindi? I'm here to interpolate. So if I'm not going to be given that chance by the committee, uwi na ako. Hinihintay ako ng asawa ko eh. Oh, yan sa
We are
ama mo.
giving you
Sabi
the
niya,
chance.
sana, umuwi na ako.
We are giving you the chance, so if you can limit your questions, please, because you are indeed consuming a lot of time.
Madam Chair.
Please go ahead.
Madam Chair, may I ask this one question?
Yes,
please. We have all the time in the world. Ano ba mas importante, lumabas ang totoo? Or is this just a demolition job against Duterte so we don't care? I mean, you cannot give me 1 hour or 30, 45 minutes. Samantalang lahat na, susunod ko nga ang tanong kung si Jose Rizal, si Duterte pa rin ang pumatay eh.
Let's not resort to that, please.
No, but
Go ahead.
Madam-
Okay, I'm giving you the time. But please try to wrap it up because you've been consuming more time than the rest of the senators, and that is not.
Madam Chair, we waited for everyone. It is not true I'm taking up more time because I'm taking their time. Madam Chair, we have asked all of them. We have given them enough
Go
time.
ahead, please.
Madam Chair, can you stop?
Just continue.
Can Senator Trillanes stop talking to me? I mean, I don't want to talk to him, but he keeps talking to me.
Senator.
I will put this between us. so
Senator
that he will
Sani,
not-
can you please
Madam Chair.
transfer? So
Yes,
to
I will
just
transfer, Madam.
avoid further.
I will, Madam Chair.
Yes. Lipat
Ganito
na
lang po
po.
yan. Ganito lang po
Huwag
yan.
na ho kayo magtabi.
Masyadong mahaba yung mga pasikot-sikot, masyadong madaldal. Kumbaga, ano na minsan it's quite annoying and irritating already. Sana he gets to the point. Ngayon, as mentioned, yung witness apparently is uncomfortable to say the circumstances kung paano siya napunta rito. But it doesn't mean that he is lying dun sa kanyang initial na mga testimonya. Ngayon,
Madam
ang
Chair,
suggestion niya rito
the
is
senator
kung
now testifying. I thought it is my
to
time.
executive session, maaring komportable niyang masabi. But at some
Thank you,
point,
Senator Sani. Thank you, Trillanes.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why I offered that. I offered the proposal that in order for us to really find out exactly the circumstances, lalo na yung pag-alis niya sa WPP, paano siya nagtago, sino mga kumukup sa kanya, at paano siya napunta sa committee. It would be best if we do it in an executive session. And Senator Alan Peter would be quite welcome
Madam
to
Chair.
participate in that executive session. So if I may respectfully suggest to Senator Alan Peter to go to other points, if any.
Madam Chair, I disagree, but I will go to another point. Kahit sabi mo kanina, may mga pinapatay kayo, binabalot nyo sa masking tape. Tama?
Opo, sir.
Yung, pwede bang ipakita to kay Edgar? Pakitignan dito kung ano sa mga tape na to ang masking tape, ha? Pakilatag mo na lang sa kanya. For the record, Madam Chair, dun sa mga hindi nakita, those are different kinds of tape, no? So sigurado ka ba, Edgar, na masking tape ang ginagamit nyo? Pakigamit ang mic, sir.
Opo, sir.
So alin dyan ang masking tape? Katulad ng alin dyan ang ginagamit nyo?
Ito, sir.
Yan, sigurado kang yan, sir. Sigurado kang yan. Pakiabot sa akin na... Sir, ang tinuro mo... Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, this is packaging tape, no? Kasi, so the relevance is this. Ito kasi yung masking tape. Hindi ko sinama dyan. Ang masking tape kasi hindi ginagamit to dahil madaling punitin to. Diba? So, alin?
Yung brown talaga, sir.
Ito.
Oh, ito.
So, hindi masking tape.
Hindi.
Kasi tinanong ko sa iyo kanina, sigurado ka ba na masking tape? No?
Kasi, sir, ang lahat ng ito, ang tingin ko, masking tape. Masking tape.
ba't
Hindi ko
ito-
malalaman yung
ba't
pangalan,
it-
sir.
ba't ito lang ang tinuro mo sa akin?
Sir.
Kung lahat
Kasi
yan tingin mo masking tape, sir, ba't ito lang ang binigay mo sa akin?
Ganyan lang ang ginagamit namin, sir.
Anyway, sir, as I said, no, ginagamit ko lang to, testingin yung credibility mo, or kung may bumulong lang, may nagsabi lang sa inyo. O next, sir. Sabi niyo po ay pinatay si Hamisola.